Claude 4.5 Haiku has just been released, and today we're going to be talking about the best ways to make money with it. It is a lot more human-like, right? Like if you read this, it doesn't feel like AI, right? 5 ways to make money with Claude 4.5, and it's like, write SEO articles, create email sequences, build landing pages, right? It doesn't feel like AI. I also tend to find that it all comes down to the prompt you actually use and the training that you give it. So, for example, here, if I just say like, write a blog about SEO, that content isn't going to be very good, right? You can see the comprehensive guide to SEO, drive organic traffic, and grow your online presence. Fluffy trash, my friend, fluffy trash. Whereas, for example, if you want to really humanize with AI, you can use this prompt inside the AI profit boardroom. And then inside here, if we do exactly the same thing, but now we're going to say, okay, create an SEO optimized article for this using my prompt. And we're using Haiku 4.5 to generate this. And now you can see the content is 10 times better. The way that it's written, the style of it, the way that it's formatted, the titles, etc., all 10 times better using this process. And so that's what I'd recommend instead, right? And then you can see here what we've got. Jason says digital PR like Google panels and links to press releases. Figure out what the client wants, look at the job ad, and then go from there, right? So I wouldn't guess what clients want. Just look at the job ad and see what they want, right? You can have a look on upwork.com. Okay, well, people want chatbots. They want social media flows. They want savvy assistants who can handle AI, right? So if you can learn AI now, well, then you're going to be able to use that for clients who want AI virtual assistants. So the best way is always to look at what's already out there, look at the job ads, figure out from there, reverse engineer it. And then if we have a look down here, you can see, for example, we've got the full guide that's ready to go. I could put that on my website quite happily. And then it doesn't feel or look like AI. So when you actually read it manually, it doesn't feel like AI. It looks pretty good. Next off that. And then you can see it's like 40% detectable.